Hey guys, Dr. David Powers here. Most of you know me as Dave Jr. If you've seen me at the office or I've answered emails, that's where most of you talk to me since I work out of the main office. Just wanted to let you know a couple of things going on with Ocean Breeze. So we've had some people ask questions, and especially some of our customers that know us pretty well. And so wanted to let you know a couple of updates. Dave Sr., the boss, looks just like me, except he's actually got hair on his head. Most of you know him because you see him on estimates, the job site, the office. He's everywhere, never quits working. That's my dad. He was in a car wreck back in, I think it was in April. And over near Osprey Cove in Socastee, and we love our Osprey Cove customers, a ton of them in there. And got into a car wreck, was hit from behind by another driver. It wasn't at all his fault, but what happened is it hit his work truck from behind, pushed him into another vehicle. And so the work truck looks a little ragged right now. And so I wanted to apologize for that. We try to keep our trucks looking pretty good because that's an advertisement for us. And, you know, it looks like we might do a bad job if the work truck looks bad. I mean, you've all seen contractors like that. If the work truck looks really, really horrible, you have to wonder about the organization and the job itself. And so ours looks pretty bad. We've been waiting to get that thing fixed since April. The guy that hit us, his insurance agent, Tim Williford in Chester, South Carolina, the insurance company was American National. I guess it's another, big company. It's not like Allstate or State Farm or anything, but American National is actually fighting us on this. It was his fault, and it ruined the bumper on both sides. And so they offered us $20.17, I think was the amount. It was under $25, I believe, to fix the bumpers on the truck. And so we've been fighting them. So we are getting the truck fixed. I know that may not seem like a big deal to some of you, but it bothers me because I like the trucks to look pretty good. And so we're getting it fixed. We had to file a claim on our own insurance and, of course, take the hit on the rate going up and all that. And I guess they're going to fight it out with American National. But getting the truck fixed, and also even more important, Dave Sr. had to go to the doctor after that. He's got back injuries anyway from military service. And so as he gets a little bit older, I won't tell you how old my dad is, but as he gets a little bit older, the back injuries from the military service bother him more. And the wreck actually messed him up pretty good. He had just started to get to feeling better from some swimming pool therapy and stuff. And he had to have some more shots and things in his back. And so if you see him hobbling around the job site, Annie, that is why it's still bothering him a little bit from getting in that car wreck. So tell you what, if you do see my dad on a job site, don't tell him I told you any of this, but maybe just offer him a cold drink or something. He loves water in the middle of the day, Diet Coke. I think he's addicted to Diet Coke. Me, I stick with the regular stuff, but just offer him a cold drink. Ask him if he wants to sit down or something. I'm sure he'll appreciate it, and get him off his feet a little bit. So I just want to update you. Some of y'all have asked about, if he was in an accident, had an injury, anything like that. And we are getting both him and the truck fixed and fighting American National. We reached out to the agent, Tim Williford in Chester, and he said, you know what, I'm not going to help you with that. That's between you and the insurance company. So having to fight them, but we will get the truck fixed soon, having to pay for it out of pocket. But we want everything looking good, not just the jobs, but we want to, when we show up and that truck is parked in front of your house for hours, days, depending on how big the job is, we want everything looking good. We don't want your neighbors looking out and saying, hey, you okay? There was a trashy truck in front of your house. And so we want it looking good. We love our customers. We love it when our customers feel like family. And we've got some customers that we've had since the beginning in 1987. And every time they need something, they come to us. They are like family after a while. And so if you ever have any questions about anything like that, feel free to reach out. I mean, I love talking to people on Facebook, email. I'm stuck in the office all the time, so I don't get to see everybody as much anymore now that I'm not doing the estimates. So feel free to drop me a line, talk to me anytime. So this is Dave Jr., as most of you know me, signing out. Y'all take care.